we are gonna make some delicious chocolate chip muffins. And guys, these are super special because they require no flour at all. No coconut flour, no almond flour. The texture is so amazing. They will kill your sweet tooth. I'll show you what ingredients you need. 4 eggs. You're also going to need 2/3 a cup to a cup of almond butter or peanut butter. I actually combined almond butter and peanut butter because I like that consistency quite a bit. So you see it's kind of runnier than the almond butter because it has a little bit of peanut butter, about half peanut butter and half almond butter. And that consistency I love for making this recipe. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, about 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then 1 tablespoon of stevia. And then this, guys, is actually optional. This is a 1/2 cup of unsweet chocolate chips, but you're welcome to use blueberries, you can use pecans, you can use walnuts, you can use a combination of all of that. You can tailor these to your liking. Evan's gonna help me mix everything in this bowl.
First, we're gonna put in 4 eggs. Now we're gonna put in 2/3 a cup of almond butter, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of stevia, 3/4 a teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Because some of these ingredients are thick, for example, the almond butter, if you're just using the almond butter, is typically a little bit thicker. That's the reason why I combined it with peanut butter. You want to make sure that you use a whisk to mix it all together. We have a 1/2 cup of the unsweet chocolate chips here, but like I said, you can leave these out if you want. These are going to be amazing sweet muffins anyway without this, or you can customize with whatever else you like. You can put fruit in here, you can put nuts in here, whatever you like, you can mix in now, but we're putting in a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. I prepped 2 muffin baking tins, and then I've just put some liners in here. This should be just enough to make a dozen. If you have a medium size ice cream scoop about this size, it'll be 1 1/2 of these for each one. You do want to leave a little space because these are going to grow when they bake. We're going to put these in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. All right, guys, these muffins are ready and they smell delicious. They smell like snickerdoodle in a muffin. So delectable. I'm going to show you the texture. No one could tell that there is absolutely no flour in here. It is just peanut butter and eggs, and then whatever else you want to put in there. I put chocolate chips in there, but again, you're welcome to put anything you like. Let's give it a taste test. It's got a wheat-like texture, like wheat bread-like texture, and super sweet because of the chocolate chips and the stevia. It's super good. I can see pairing these with a little allulose syrup or cream cheese. That would be so good. Pair it with whatever you like. These would be great for breakfast or a little snack in between breakfast and lunch or lunch and dinner. To die for. We pull out some unsweet almond milk and dip these in there. You do not need anything else. So delicious. You've got to give these a try. All right, my Power Up friends, that's it for this video. For more recipes like this one that are low carb, keto friendly, super delicious, and extremely easy to make, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell icon so you're notified every time I upload a video, and share this video and my channel with friends and family who you know have embarked on a healthy eating journey. Also, check out my merch store down below and support my channel by purchasing any of the items there that you may like. Bye until next time.